Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to add a countdown timer on Instagram story. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is super useful to go and do. Let's say you want to go and count down to a birthday or special event. So to get started, click on the plus button at the bottom of Instagram, select story. You can then go and take one now or click onto gallery in the bottom left, just like so. Choose a photo you want to add to your story. Now go to the top and click onto the stickers icon, which got this smiley face onto the right of text. Then you want to go and locate countdown, click onto it just like so. You can then go and type in a name for it. For example, I'll type birthday, and you can go and set the date and the time. Press done and post it to your story. So that's it. That is how to add countdown timer on Instagram story. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.